Hey guys, me, Nico, and Nico also. So we got some. We're in trouble. Help!
Nerf guns. Alright, so let's get this started.
Yeah, we got Nerf guns.
Dual strike. So these are the bullets the thing's gonna use.
And this is the gun. Yeah.
Now we'll get this tiny switch. Zoom up on the switch so they can see it. Alright, so hold on. See this switch right here?
It says
it's Mega or Elite. Shoot. Alright,
and to shoot it, we go like that. And now it's on.
Let's do Mega at the audience.
Let's Mega.
The audience.
Now, so we have some technical difficulties. Apparently, Z shooting the camera is a really bad idea.
My idea. So yeah. I don't care if it's not my iPad. So we're starting over.
No, not. This is another clip. Pull us back.
It's not.
Alright, just pull. I did. Alright, so on
Let's
Mega.
shoot the audience again.
No.
Alright,
So now we're on Elite, if you can see. We're on Elite. And now we're going to shoot it. Oh, nice. Let's see what the box says about this thing and how far it can shoot. Where's the box? Let's see.
Really? Interesting. I see. Directly in the behind.
Nico, are we going to start over?
No. Sorry, guys, but it doesn't tell us how far it goes.
It probably goes on different heights.
Yeah. It depends on which one it is. Now, as in all darts, they have. Where is it? That hole? Blow into it. And make a sound. Actually, the air goes into this when they're shooting because they're going so fast. And then, it makes a cool sound. So, I think that's it. Wait, surprise. Wait, first, we have, other packs. See? And we got butt load. See, look at all this stuff. Oh my God, this is just too much. We lost a friend near the couch. But I got the surprise waiting. We already started. We got a shelter.
Oh, we have two moms in school?
I'm here.
Fletcher.
What's going to happen to me?
I think it is. Is that mom and mom?
I almost got hit. I'm running. We're being attacked. Our ship is undercover.
Wait, can I take it?
Oh no, the camera! No!
Come over. I need to do deleted both of the clips.
You serious?